welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. My truck's in the shop right now getting some work done, and a buddy of mine picked this up, so I'm over here helping him. It's quite a project. Electrical's clapped, to say the least. Engine, we don't know what's going on with it. It's got all kinds of weird stuff like that. It's a tweaker puzzle, that's for sure. It's got goop, silicone, and weird stuff. So we're gonna pull the engine out, open it up, see what condition it's in. Pull the trans out, pull the whole drivetrain out, check everything. While it's out, we'll go through this electrical because, well, none of that's factory. So it's got a lot of electrical issues. Engine is questionable, but other than that, it's a nice truck. It's an 86 Power Ram. I guess it's a W150 because it's a 4x4. So it's pretty good. I like it. It's not my first time seeing it. We've pulled the gas tank out before. We're gonna clean that. We got some plans for it. Gonna put the Holly Sniper in it, go through the engine, maybe put a cam, or who knows. But we're gonna start with getting the engine out, get that on the stand, and go from there. Well, there wasn't much to do up here. Took off the heater hoses, we took off the starter. This header's just kind of there. This weirdness over here with this oil filter relocation thing, just took off those two hoses and it'll come out underneath. This is where we're at. We took off the drive shaft. Transmission jack is in place. Took off the speedometer cable, the linkage for the 4x4, the linkage for the transmission, and the lines. We're gonna do the bow housing bolts and bring it down. Oh, we already did the torque converter bolts when we took off the starter. So we'll just do those last bolts. We took these off for this upper part of the cross member, so we just have these three left here, the three on the other side, and the ones around the bow housing, and we'll bring this down. After that, we'll pull the engine out, and then hopefully we'll have enough time to open it up and see what it looks like. Well, we got the engine out, we lowered the transmission. It's stuck with that cross member bracket. Chad's down there taking that off so we could get that out. Engine's over here. We got bolts that are on their way so that we can put this on the engine stand there. And the camera was running when we were putting this out, but we're working. Get this on the stand, get the transmission out, and then we'll be right back. well, we got this out. We had to jack the truck up on one side with like a stack of wood blocks. There they are. They ended up cracking. That's real safe. And it was going pretty good up until the dipstick got hung up. And we pulled it out. And, well, I mean, could have been worse, right? We didn't make that big of a mess. So I need this transmission jack for tomorrow, so we're gonna put this on the furniture dolly, which is over there. We'll get this on the stand, and the next time we'll tear this apart. We'll see what condition it's in, and we'll clean this up. We'll do some work in here. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time. So it's 2 weeks later. The heads got sent to the machine shop. They got checked. There's no cracks in them. I think they took a little bit off the bottom. So we're gonna continue disassembling this engine. It actually looks like it's in pretty good shape already, and it's 30 over. So we'll tear this apart. I'll measure the bore, make sure everything's cool, and clean it up and start assembling. We got all the stuff over here. So Chad went to go get a tool to take this off. When he comes back, then we'll continue this. So we got the block taken apart, cleaned it with brake cleaner, and then soaked it with WD-40. So we're gonna get some measurements of the bores and start ordering parts, and then next time we'll start cleaning this up, painting it and putting it back together. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.